Duck season is around the corner. Do you want to get a reservation or do you want to be waiting in the sweat line during duck season? Hi, I'm Dave with Socal Outdoor Adventures. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get on the reservation list and be able to get a reservation, have to wait in the sweat line to get a blind at either Worcester or San Jacinto. So stay tuned and I will show you where to go on the website and what to do in order to get your reservation. So here we are on the California Department of Fish and Wildlife website to buy licenses. If you don't know how to go here and get around, look at this video where I show you how to find all the right information on good and going. We are on John's portal and I am setting up the hunting reservations for him. So you can come down to the year hunting and you come down here to drawings and you'll see come September 1st, you'll see the waterfowl season applications here. So the water season long application is one for every day they open. And then there's the waterfowl multiple choice application, which we'll use, which you can select the ones we have. As of this recording, each reservation will cost you $1.34, which is not bad. And if you don't get anything, so the way it works, if you get a reservation, they will email you 2 weeks before whether you want or not to go, what your number is. And if you get, say, 25 or 26, you're thinking, oh, that's a horrible reservation number. A lot of times people get the reservations and they don't even go to the wilderness area to go duck hunt. So if you get a decent number, go duck hunting because you may be number 25, you may get draw number 13 or 10 and get a good blind. So let's go into here. We're going to do multiple choice here. We're going to add. And we're going to scroll down. And the ones for Southern California, or if you live up in northern LA County, there's the Kern Wilderness Reserve. That one you can definitely go to. If you're in Orange County or San Diego, you're going to look for San Jacinto. So I'm going to do this one first. So I'm going to select this for John. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select them all and then unselect the days that he were due, which are a handful around Thanksgiving. So definitely not this one. And the 23rd, he is busy. In December, we're not doing the first week of December. And then Christmas, he can't do the 22nd. And all the other ones. So once you have your selections picked, you come down to the bottom, you accept your choices. So for those 22, it turned out to be $29.48. And the other ones we're going to do is Worcester here. And so we're going to select this and select all the Sundays, and you can do 4th, the 1st, and the 8th. And I'll accept these choices. So that will be $14 for those 11 choices. Reason our San Jacinto is a lot closer than Worcester for John and myself. You can change these as you go because duck season doesn't start till the 3rd weekend of October. Accept the choices. Once you make all your selections, you just go to checkout like you would at Amazon. You pay with your credit card. You do it like you would buy any other tag. There is one more thing you would want to get is there is a Access Pass A. You will want to get one of those prior to, you can wait until you get your reservation, but you want to go get that prior to going to the duck hunt. You will need that before you go hunt at the Wilderness Reserve. So put your reservations in so you can get out there and go duck hunting. Ducks Unlimited is awesome. Duck hunting is awesome. San Jacinto is an awesome place to go hunting. Worcester is always Worcester, and they've done some updates to it. So get your reservations, and I'll see you out there hunting.